to those who think they have seen it all, I say, buckle your seatbelt.
In March 2019, the most anticipated phone was finally launched. Galaxy S10. The twist? It came with a frontal punch-hole camera, which generated quite a lot of controversy. Tutorials on how to hide the frontal camera started to pour in. Our answer? Embrace the controversy. The do what you can't style. Introducing Samsung S10 Wallpaper Inventors, an unconventional UGC inviting fans to unleash their creativity and turn our camera placement into their own personal statements. Local influencers joined in.
Mereu mă exprim liber până la ultimul detaliu și în curând o să pot număra și parașutismul printre hobby-urile mele.
Pasiunile mele? Nici nu știu de unde să încep. Iubesc actoria, fotografia, machiajul.
And invited their fans to follow their examples and get their creative juices flowing.
Și te provoc și pe tine să accepti
Provocarea Samsung S10 Wallpaper Inventors.
Fans went crazy. Crazy creative, that is, and flooded us with cool entries. Day in and day out. Over 1,000 in just a couple of days. The UGC wallpapers empowered fans to silence the critics and brand themselves as inventors. Brand engagement KPIs went off the charts. The 0.5 seconds Instagrammers usually spend on a post suddenly turned into a whopping 8 minutes.